What's up everyone and welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to learn something called IsEnabled. In the past tutorials we learned what is disabled, is selected, and is enabled. It actually checks if a button or an icon or whatever is actually enabled to be clicked on. So when we did that Facebook example last time, we were able to click on the female part and the male part. But if actually that button is disabled, which I'm going to disable right now by just going to the console and actually select that female radio icon. And if I do go here and write disabled like this, and actually let's try to click it, nothing will actually happen because it's disabled. Same thing with the male one. If I do the same thing, it will be disabled and I won't be able to actually click on it because it's disabled. This icon is disabled. But what if I refresh this page, everything will go back to normal because I don't own this page and I can't really actually play with it. I can play with it temporarily, but nothing will actually affect other users. So what we're going to do is actually check if this button is enabled, which will be true. And let's actually do so. So I'm gonna check that radio button still. You don't really have to click on it. It wouldn't really make any difference. And then is enabled like that. And then if it's enabled, I want you to say this button is enabled. And same thing for the not example. So let's actually run and see what will happen. So I'm running, going to Facebook, and then it will check if this button is actually clickable or not. It's not going to click it, but it's just going to check that part. And it did check it, and it came back, it returned with that statement, radio button is enabled. So that test ran successfully, and we were able to know if that button is good. So that's something that I actually do when I run my automation test. You can actually, before running each click on buttons especially, you can do a check for the availability of the button, if it's enabled or not, to give you more detailed on what's actually happening, if it's a button problem or other functional problems as well. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my videos as well. Thank you so much and have a great day.